Hi guys, and welcome to our kombucha tasting for fall. I found these flavors at the grocery store and I thought it would be really fun if we did a taste testing together. These are what I would bring to a fall or holiday party. You can find them at grocery stores like Whole Foods, Sprouts if you're near one of those. I'm on the West Coast, so there is a Safeway or a Vons. But whatever grocery store you're near, you should be able to find kombucha on an end cap near the produce section. So I thought it'd be really fun to try these out with you guys, let you know what they kind of taste like, what to kind of look for while you're at the store. And then one of them was a new flavor I can't say that I see all the time, so I don't know if it's just a seasonal one with the GTS Kombucha or if they have it all the time and I just happen to find it now. But let's get started. So the first one is Cosmic Cranberry. So I thought this would be really fun for Thanksgiving or Christmas because we always have like cranberry sauce, or I make muffins with cranberries in it when cranberries are in season. I have that recipe on my blog that I'll link for you below. This would go perfectly well with some cranberry muffins. But what I love about kombucha is that they have probiotics in it, so it really helps with our gut health. And anytime you're trying to balance your hormones, you're trying to improve your energy, improve your mood, improve any of the hormonal symptoms that you experience, focusing on our gut health is really important. So I love using kombucha as a treat. And then I always serve kombucha in champagne glasses. So when I have like parties or I go to the holidays, I either bring my own kombucha, knowing that most people will have champagne glasses, or if I'm hosting at my house, I will put out champagne glasses and kombucha just like this so people can taste test. So it's really fun to be able to do this with you guys virtually. So this is the Cosmic Cranberry. Let's see, I don't know if I've actually tried this one before. It's got like a subtle cranberry. It's definitely not too sweet. Light fizz. I'd say it's very light and refreshing. Like it's not overpowering on a taste. Sometimes I taste some kombucha and it's just like too much on one flavor, but it's like very clean. This would pair really well with like dinner because it's not overpowering, or if you guys are like, if you have a snack or something. So I really like the cranberry one. Let's do one more sip. We'll do 3 sips of each. So that was the Cosmic Cranberry. The next one is this Pink Lady Apple. So this is one that I haven't really seen in stores. I think I've only seen it in the fall. And then it has apple juice, basil, which will be interesting, and some kiwi juice along with a fermented tea that makes the kombucha. So I have been really excited to try this one. Cheers, guys. You get like a subtle hint of the basil. I can't say it really tastes like apple. Yeah, I don't taste the apple, which is interesting. I taste more of like just like a regular tea, and then like the basil hits like after you drink it. Maybe like by the third one you taste a little bit of the apple taste, but it's still definitely not too sweet. I don't like over sweet things, and sometimes with kombuchas they can be like too sweet because they do add some sugar to it. But I definitely like that as well. Like it's very, very subtle, which is nice. I'm like pleasantly surprised on the subtlety of the flavors. So this is the last one. This is Sacred Life, and it's blue because it has blue spirulina in it. So this is the only one I've tried before, and I have loved this one. It's one of their newer flavors. So it has coconut water in here, ginger juice, which is like a really great fall flavor, and then blue spirulina. So spirulina is really good for getting some additional B vitamins. It's really good for blood flow and circulation. It like helps with your endurance. So if you work out, having blue spirulina is just like a really great added superfood to your diet. So it's really fun to also see it in a kombucha flavor, and then you get the really fun blue color. So I've tried this one before, and usually you can taste the ginger in it, which is really fun for like the holidays, and because it's like one of those warming spices that if you've ever made mulled wine, putting ginger in it. So it kind of reminds me of that, but obviously like not mulled wine. Still very gingery. So if that's the flavor of this one, the thing I taste the most is the ginger. You can even smell it. Like as I went to drink it, I could smell it coming up into the glass. Also matches my outfit today. So this one, it has like multiple flavors going on. I taste most of the ginger, and then after that, I can't really pinpoint what the flavor is. So if you want a stronger flavor, I would go with this one. These two, the other two are very subtle. This one definitely has a stronger flavor and could be very overpowering. So I would probably do this when I'm maybe having some fruit or some vegetables in a dip, and then having this one. I don't think I would partner this with the meal just because it's very overpowering. So this is like what you could start with, and then you can segue into these two at your parties. But it was just really fun to do this kombucha tasting with you. If you have any other flavors you'd like to try, or if you've tried these and you want to comment below of what you've liked about them, I'm really excited to hear your thoughts.